Misappropriation of funds has been identified as the leading cause of insecurity in the country. Chairman, House Committee on Public Accounts, Oluwole Oke, made this assertion at an annual bursary lecture at the Federal University of Technology, Minna. Chineme Bamayi reports.
Of public funds is a major challenge successive governments have not been able to stop. Funds meant for providing infrastructure are often diverted for personal gains by government officials, leading to the rise of other vices such as unemployment and insecurity. Despite the efforts of anti-graft agencies to clamp down on erring government officials, it appears not much has been done to enforce the rule of law in the country. It is a problem the chairman of the House Committee on Public Accounts, Oluwole Oke, believes must be tackled head-on. He spoke at the annual lecture of the Bursary Department in the Federal University of Technology, Minna. He says Nigeria must address the burning issues in infrastructure decay that makes young graduates depend solely on their ability to secure a government job, since the environment does not support their innovations.
Let me commend President Buhari. I'm not a member of APC and PDP, but I want to give it to him and Oshibajo. They evolve programs for youth, different types of schemes to reach the underprivileged people. But are they reached? Are they reached? Because the managers are sabotaging their efforts. Bangladesh and India, under United Nations Peacekeeping Force, you know what they do? They assemble their youths in their millions, train them and export them for peacekeeping, and they earn foreign exchange. Our youths are busy roaming the streets.
Aside from the deliberate act to sabotage systems, deviation from following due process in government agencies opens a window for misappropriation of funds. The university management team discloses that its strategy towards mitigating this challenge is by employing innovations in financial technology, which has currently transformed their payment system and is ensuring transparency.
Most of our operations, like the receipt, were still manual, and then we are in a digital era. And for us to be relevant, we have to deploy ICT into our modus operandi. And so when I came on board, I felt that that should be the trend of Bursary Department. So I had to introduce ICT into our modus operandi for effective and efficient service delivery.
Accountability transcends beyond matters of Naira and Kobo. Accountability is something that defines our lives. That in all of the things we do, we should be ready to be accountable to our families, to our communities, and of course, ultimately, to God.
Adequate financial management at all levels has been found to be one of the ways to save government costs and reduce expenditures at all levels. That is why this lecture in the academic environment is paramount. Chineme Bamayi, TVC News, Minna.